Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to go over your 9th grade ELA Author's Purpose project. Today we are going to be working on a project workshop. We are going to be focusing on Article 3, which is to persuade. You need to organize information within your third article related to the topic that you have chosen for your persuasive project. Alright, we need to follow directions in the Author's Purpose project directions and rubric video, so please make sure that you check back over those. Your article needs an introduction and conclusion. Remember, your introduction should have a thesis statement in it. Use evidence from your research to persuade the audience. So we need to make sure when we are using information or knowledge that was not originally our own that we are giving credit to the author and creating citations in text. Also, remember to use ethos, pathos, and logos to persuade your audience to agree with you. We need to make sure the article and pictures are visually appealing, which is the last step that we do after we have checked for grammar, made sure our citations are in place, and made sure our writing meets the directions expectations. Alrighty guys, that is our checklist for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!